So I've been applying AI for about 13-ish years in various companies. So what I care about is applying AI for delivering impact to customers at scale. So I've worked at Amazon to apply AI for query understanding and ranking in Amazon search. And then I moved to LinkedIn to do LinkedIn recruiter search and recommendations. And then later to Robinhood for stock ticker search, news feed for financial news report, and then Snap for search, as well as Gen AI chatbot that we started in Snap. And then lately I'm in Block, where we are applying AI for various Block products, including Square, Cash App, Tidal, and Afterpay. So that what intrigues me is how we can really show real world impact through AI. But I'm very interested in how people are turning around companies and really using AI as a core strategy and going through their earnings reports and reading more into their financials. And I think everyone is like trying to figure out their AI strategy in this age and day. A lot of CXOs have the budget and they're trying to figure out how do we apply AI for their own settings. For me, it's mostly around how do we apply AI, which is more external facing. I think the main thing that people might be forgetting at this point is going back from the application and customer, like how does it help customer? What is the metrics that we plan to move through AI? And then figuring out what AI technology to use. That could be an LLM, that could be traditional ML systems. So really like not just using AI for the sake of, but trying to solve a real world problem. And then figuring out how AI can help there. But what are those output metrics that we want to optimize through AI, and then building a strategy from that, instead of just going and saying, okay, now we have the LLM, how do we use that? But every company, I think, needs to think about whether the foundational LLM is fitting their specific needs, or they need to have some specific smaller LMs to fit what they want. So there will be an emergence of a lot of SLMs going forward, which are very specialized and specific to your particular domain. The other one is, of course, everyone's talking about agentic AI. So how AI can really not just tell you and plan and do reasoning, but really automate tasks for you. The third one is really like, it's inevitable, is personal assistant. So every one of us should have a personal assistant going forward. Someone who understands our accounts. That could be our brokerage account, our Google account, Google Doc, emails, and everything we do, like really replicate that, understand the way we write emails, tone the emails based on that, the way we write documents, the way we talk, and replicate that and be really our personal assistant and do tasks for us as well. So I think my big bet is on autonomous agents who can do things for us. That could be our personal assistant, or that could be doing things for small businesses. Like, calendar management is just one example, but it could be your marketing agent as a business. So there's an AI agent that just handles all of the marketing capabilities for you. It could be various things, but autonomous agents is definitely my big bet. And I think that's coming. There are several tools that are emerging as really advanced tools for productivity gains. From development perspective, I personally used Cursor. That's especially for front-end development, that's a game-changing. The other one that's getting like a hockey stick growth is Cloud, and that's really on your Bash and Terminal. I think the one thing that I would, especially as new grads and junior engineers are starting their software engineering field, I just want to give a caveat of like, review the code, please, and don't just trust everything that AI gives. It is an augmentation to the coding. It's not really doing complete coding right now.